We disabled your account Facebook 180 days fix. I'm going to tell you how to fix a Facebook account disabled for 180 days. If you see a message saying your account is disabled, you need to submit an appeal. Go to Facebook's Help Center and fill out the appeal form. Be honest. Provide any required documents and explain why your account should be restored. After submitting, you'll need to wait. Facebook's response can take days or even weeks. If you don't hear back, try contacting Facebook support directly. To prevent this from happening again, follow Facebook's guideline and enable two-factor authentication for security purposes. If your appeal gets denied, your account might be permanently lost.